I'd like to introduce our next speaker, Luiz Barbosa from Vivix Vidros Planos. Luiz?
Thank you.
The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. It's an honor to be here at GPD 2025. I'd like to apologize in advance if during my presentation for any mistakes, because I get nervous when I need to speak in front of important people, and especially when I need to speak in English. So, apologize in advance. I'm going here to you today to talk about the challenges of implementing thermally efficient glass in sustainable buildings, especially in developing countries. So I'd like to introduce myself. I'm a proud founder of Iris, a beautiful 4-year-old, and the husband of Cynthia, one of the most incredible person I've ever met. I'm civil engineer, and I've been working in the flat glass segment for about 20 years, and currently I'm at work at Vivix as market development manager. And Vivix is a 100% Brazilian-owned flat glass manufacturer. I also coordinate for about 10 years the flat glass committees for ABNT, responsible for technical standards in Brazil. So I'm going to talk about Vivix, the whole of glazed facades in urban sustainability, challenge for adopting efficient facades, responsibility of developers and construction companies, energy and climate impact of intelligent facades, standards versus thermally efficient glass, ROI and carbon footprint of efficient glass, case studies in developing country and success cases in developed countries, global strategic recommendations, and smart facades for a sustainable future. So talking about Vivix is a proudly Brazilian company, the only flat glass manufacturer in the Northeast in Brazil with 100% national capital. We are really committed with ESG, innovation and quality. And Vivix is part of Cordelio Brandon Group, a traditional and century-old Brazilian group, which operates in the flat glass segment through Vivix, energy generation through Atiaia Energia, and in the real estate development through the company Iron House. Our modern facility creates over 400 direct jobs and 1,500 indirect. This integration supports regional development and national self-sufficiency with a furnace of 18 years and 900 tons day capacity. Vivix supports large-scale and efficient glass, essential to meet demand locally. We are the only glass company in Brazil with a dedicated raw material beneficiation plant, and that guarantees our quality and reduces our dependence on imports. This is a beautiful picture of our plant located in Goiânia, in the countryside of Pernambuco. From 2011, from 2008, Vivix evolved from the since beginning, since the clear to solar control glass and decorative glass production. As you can see, our timeline shows our commitment in long terms with innovation. We offer a full range, since clear, tinted, painted, laminated, mirrors and solar control glass, adapted to meet both performance and aesthetic needs. So, talking about facades. Glazed facades are central to urban sustainability. They affect light, temperature, and energy performance. And their optimization is key to reducing environmental impact in cities. In developing countries, adoption is limited by upfront cost, lack of local manufacturing, and low awareness. So these barriers prevent scaling efficient solutions where they are needed more. But choosing inefficient glass to cut cost has consequences. Higher energy demand, user discomfort, and future retrofitting expenses. So, developer must balance short-term saving with long-term responsibility. Inefficient facades contribute to urban heat islands, and 37% of global CO2 emission from the built environment Better glazing can help change this situation. This comparison shows how efficient glass limits solar heat gain, improves daylight use, and pays back its carbon footprint in under a decade. Despite higher initial costs, efficient glass offer ROI within 5 and 7 years. And its life, it can prevent up to 500 tons of carbon dioxide emission per building. It's a very important number. In India, Brazil, South Africa, and Mexico are trying different kind of approach. Local manufacturing and the public policies make a big difference, but progress is uneven. The United Kingdom, Japan, and Germany offer reference models from mandatory codes to cutting edge technologies and subsidies. They show what's possible with alignment. To accelerate change, we must enforce performance regulation, offer financial incentives, and invest in education. These three pillars create real transformation. Energy efficient facades are not just technical solutions. They are social, economic, and environmental imperatives. Change is hard, but absolutely necessary. Thank you all for your attention, and feel free to contact me. I'd love to collaborate with you and to exchange ideas to build more to build a better future for all of us. Thank you.